One.
All right, welcome back. We are doing video, I think it's 7, and it's going to be Passport Part 2. So, first thing you're going to want to do is go to uh, console.cloud.google.com, or I think either console.developers.google.com works too. Either way, you get into the Google system here, screen that looks something like this, and you're going to want to create a new project. And you're going to click on this, and then right here you're going to add a project with a plus sign, and you can name it, call it YouTube one, create, and it's still creating up here. You're going to want to make sure that this area right here is the name of your project. See, it's still working on it. There we go. All right, and then you want to kind of click on Enable APIs and Services. It takes a little while because this runs a little slower when you have a Chromebook here trying to record a video. We're looking for the Google Plus API. Here we go. Click on that. Click Enable. And if you watch the last video, you know we started our Passport folder with an index file, and then we imported Passport and the Google strategy from Passport Google Auth 2. And then we needed a client ID, a client secret, and a bunch of other things. And this is where we're going to get our client ID and client secret. To do that, we're going to create a credential. Probably just click on credentials. We want an OAuth client ID. Configure consent screen. So looks like we're going to need to put in product name, and you can put in a logo here, homepage URLs, terms of service. We can come back to that later. You just need to click OK to get through that. And it's going to be a web application. Web client 1's fine. And now we have our authorized JavaScript origin and authorized redirect. So if you're developing locally, you can use localhost. If you're using Cloud9, like I am, we'll pop that in there. Let's see. You know what? I won't say that. I'll say regular for now. Redirect. We'll put the redirect on port 8081. Slash. Say slash auth. Slash Google. Slash callback. You can always come and change this later if we run into problems. So they're going to give us client ID and a client secret that you shouldn't let people see, especially the secret. I'll probably have to come back and change it after this, just because this video is going to be published. In any event, copy both of these things. And we're not going to put them in the app, we're going to put them in the config. And I'll be changing my MLab password just for security purpose. But for the video, this makes it easier. Google client ID. Paste that in there. We'll do Google client secret. Copy that. So we don't need to put the callback in there just yet. You're going to want to put those same things into this file as process variables. So talk more about this later. In any event, here we'll import keys /config/keys, and we'll just go keys.google client ID. Keys.google client secret. So it's going to be that same callback URL that we entered on the website. That's important. Must match what you gave Google. It'll have to match what you gave Google, or you'll get errors later. So everything looks good there. We'll put in a failure redirect. We'll just redirect. We'll say the login. Actually, we'll just say root for now because we don't even have a front end yet. And we'll pop that in there for the redirect. That's the failure redirect. This is basically the success redirect. And that's going to be on the front end when we get to the front end, which we're going to create in the next video. Basically, maybe not quite in the next video, but we'll test out the OAuth. We'll test out the OAuth in the next video. And I don't think we're going to have to bring the front end up to do that. I think we can do that. We can mock that up on the back end. And I'll see you there.